Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to enable private DNS on your Android device. This simple step can help improve your security and protect your privacy while browsing the internet. Let's quickly go over what DNS is and why enabling private DNS is important. DNS stands for Domain Name System. It's like the phone book of the internet. When you type a website address into your browser, DNS translates that address into an IP address that your device can understand. Normally, your internet service provider handles this process, but using a private DNS server gives you more control over your internet traffic and can improve your security. Enabling private DNS encrypts your DNS queries, protecting them from being intercepted by third parties, such as hackers or even your internet service provider. This means your browsing activity stays private, and your device is less vulnerable to attacks like DNS spoofing. Now, let's jump into how to enable private DNS on your Android device. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Use the search bar at the top and type Private DNS. Tap on Private DNS from the search results. Enter a private DNS provider hostname, such as Google DNS Google. Tap Save to apply the changes. That's it. Your device is now using private DNS, improving both your security and privacy while browsing the web. And that's it. You've successfully enabled private DNS on your Android device. Now your DNS queries are encrypted, improving both your security and privacy while browsing the web. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.